कि सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने पाकिस्तान और अमेरिका के दरमियान बाहमी टेरिफ पर बाज़ाब्ता मुज़ाकरात के आगाज की तस्दीक कर दी है। डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने सहाफ़ियों से गुफ्तगू करते हुए वाज़ेह किया है कि पाकिस्तानी वफ़द आइंदा हफ्ते तिजारत पर मुज़ाकरात के लिए अमेरिका का दौरा करेगा। अमेरिकी सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने पाकिस्तान और भारत को खबरदार किया है कि एक दूसरे पर गोलियां बरसाने वालों के साथ तिजारत नहीं कर सकते।
Pakistan representatives are coming in next week. And India, as you know, we're very close to making a deal with India. And I wouldn't have any interest in making a deal with either if they were going to be at war with each other. I would not, and I let them know. I think the deal I'm most proud of is the fact that we're dealing with India, we're dealing with Pakistan, and we were able to stop potentially a nuclear war through trade as opposed through bullets. You know, normally they do it through bullets. We do it through trade. So I'm very proud of that. Nobody talks about it, but we had a very nasty potential war going on between Pakistan and India. And now if you look, they're doing fine.